The United States has intensified its military campaign in the Middle East by launching a fresh wave of precision strikes on approximately 90 Iranian military targets, further escalating tensions across the region. According to US military officials, the latest operation targeted key Iranian military infrastructure, including air defense systems, missile and drone storage facilities, and strategic command networks. The US Central Command, or CENTCOM, confirmed the operation on social media platform X, stating that the strikes carried out on July 8 were aimed at further degrading Iran's ability to attack commercial shipping and civilian mariners in the Strait of Hormuz. CENTCOM also released operational footage showing precision strikes and multiple secondary explosions at what it identified as Iranian military installations. US says operation followed attacks on commercial shipping. The latest offensive came a day after another round of strikes on July 7, when US forces reportedly targeted around 80 Iranian military sites and destroyed more than 60 Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps boats. Washington said the first strikes were launched in response to Iran's attacks on 3 commercial vessels transiting the strategically important Strait of Hormuz. CENTCOM said US forces remain vigilant, lethal, and prepared to carry out further operations if directed by the commander-in-chief. Iran warns of retaliation amid global concern. The latest escalation follows US President Donald Trump's declaration that the ceasefire with Iran was over, triggering renewed hostilities and prompting the United Nations, Pakistan, and Qatar to urge restraint to prevent a wider regional conflict. Reacting to the strikes, Iran warned that any further US military action would invite a strong response. Iranian Parliament Speaker Mohammad Bagher Ghalibaf accused Washington of pursuing a confrontational policy and warned that if you strike, you'll get hit. He also asserted that the Strait of Hormuz would remain under Iran's sovereign control and said any decision regarding its operations would be made by Tehran. Meanwhile, Iranian state media reported explosions in Bandar Abbas, Konak, Chabahar, and Kish Island, with parts of the port city of Chabahar experiencing major power outages following the strikes.